In the movie Predestination, Ethan Hawke's character plays a temporal agent who is stuck in an infinite loop where it's hard to tell what came first, his mission, his identity, or even his existence. His entire life is a paradox. He travels through time, he recruits himself, trains himself, and unknowingly becomes every major figure in his own life story. He keeps circling back endlessly, and every event leads back to him. And what if I tell you that in many ways, a sinusoidal wave in mathematics does exactly that? Take the graph of sine of x, for example. It doesn't begin or end at any point. It goes indefinitely in both the directions. There is no first step and no last stop. It just flows. And yet, if you observe closely, there is a pattern. After every interval of 2 pi, it repeats itself. No matter how far you go along the x-axis, either in the positive direction or in the negative direction, you will find yourself seeing the same curve and getting the same values again and again. It's like Ethan Hawke's character from Predestination is caught and stuck on the graph of sine of x, where he is experiencing highs and lows, peaks and troughs, always returning but never arriving. Now take a second and imagine. What if our lives are also like the graph of sine of x? Or what if we are also caught in a similar cycle? Because as far as I know, we experience emotional highs and lows, we often make repeated mistakes, and the same thoughts keep circling back again and again. So what if free will is just an illusion, and we are simply tracing the same wave, never realizing that we are on the same path that loops forever? And maybe that's what the movie was trying to tell us, that maybe we are not moving in straight lines through time. Maybe we are moving in loops, which are predictable, invisible, and inescapable. And maybe math isn't just about the formulas and the graphs. Maybe it reflects something deeper about our existence. The repetitions, the cycles, the patterns we are all caught in suggest that maybe, just maybe, our life is also like that of a sine wave, and we are all trapped somewhere on that curve.